Hello Yadea Epoch H users. Guys, share ko lang to We all know na there are 6 pieces na lead acid graphene type batteries. So there you are, 6 pieces. Each one is at 12 volts. Now in lead acid, the depth of charge is 50%. And we will know na 50% na yung depth of discharge if 12.0 volts na yung each batteries. For now, the reading is 72.18. Consider low bat na ito. I just put the test probe directly to the charging port. So each batteries is only 12.03. Some are 12.02, some are 12.01. So this is considered low bat or 50% depth of discharge. So to prolong the life of the lead acid, you should not abuse it. The 50% depth of discharge will be your borderline. Now, if you're going to look at the panel, you will see that only one bar is missing. So if you totally deplete your battery, it means that you are way below 72 volts and you're killing your batteries. You can search on Google how many percent or at what voltage should 12 volt battery stay, or the minimum voltage. Here we have a battery equalizer designed for 72 volts. Soon we're going to install this so that the batteries are always the same voltage, because during discharging and charging the battery, some of the batteries are voltage are going wild, especially the both ends of the batteries, the main negative and the main positive. So for that 72 volts, we're going to charge it. If you notice, I do have a timer. So I'm going to set it to 8 hours. And after 8 hours, this will automatically cut off the power. And before 8 hours, this will turn green, indicating that the battery is full. So that's for it. Thank you for watching.